am going to make you a hero this Mother's Day. I have super art gifts for your mother, your wife, your sister, any other lady you want to buy something for Mother's Day. Number one is this fun tree painting here. I teach art as well as am an artist, and I'm always looking to show things that you can paint things other than their normal colors. So this is a night scene, and this tree may appear darker or bluer in the night, but my goal for this painting was to show that values change the whole depth of the painting. The values in the blues. There is lots of blues and purples in the tree, as well as actually what you can't see in the background is it's not just black. There's lots of blue and purple intermingled with that black to give it that fun, deep feeling. But anyway, this is 15 across, 30 up and down. It is an original, only one, and it's listed on my website, SharonDurbinGravesArt.com. This particular painting is $300, and during this show, the shipping is free. Free shipping, gotta love that. You want to stick around to the end? Because I've got a couple of really great bargains at the very end. This is Western Harvest. I have a son who lives in northern Utah, and when you go out there, that's exactly what you see are these mountains that look like they're so close. And then you realize, oh, there's these little bitty buildings back here. So they must not be as close as what I thought. They're houses and barns and things way far away. So that was my inspiration for this painting. And I love the mountains. I love painting them. And skies are one of the reasons I began painting over 20 years ago. So Western art is 16 high, 20 wide. When you see art listed, the height is supposed to be the first dimension in the little description there. So it says 16 by 20. That means it's 16 inches high, 20 inches wide. It is unframed. It is a normal size stretched canvas, could be easily framed, but it will come with a brown paper backing and wire to hang. It's painted on all four sides, so you don't have to frame it if you don't want to. It is $200, and again, free shipping. Everything in this video is getting free shipping through April 24th. Mama's watching. This is a fun painting of a robin guarding her nest. This is part of, as an artist and art teacher, this is part of a class that I have for my online membership. It's a monthly membership. And so a month or two ago, we did this painting where the beginning students learned everything on here step by step. And so this is just a spring scene, and you know, robins, they kind of put their nests like in trees, but short trees, not way up there in the top or closer to the ground. When we lived on the farm, we had them in our orchard all the time, but we also had one make a nest on our propane tank, and we had one build a nest in our wood pile. So, you know, they can be absolutely anywhere. And Mom's watching these eggs right here. This is 14 by 11. It's unframed. It's painted all the way around. Doesn't have to be framed. It will come with a brown paper backing, and it will be wired to hang. My hooks for my wires came late last night, so they'll be on there later today. All the paintings here have 3 coats of varnish on them, and this is acrylic paint. This is After the Rain. This was another class in the Beginners Painting Club, and if you're interested at all in learning to paint, I'll put that link in the description. But this is, we were learning how to paint dewdrops. So we had to paint a whole painting in order to put the dewdrops on something. So that's what this is all about. It is also 14 inches by 11 inches. Again, it is painted all the way around, does not need to be framed, will come with the brown paper backing and the wire. It will be wired to hang. And again, these are all original works, so there's only one. I don't have prints of them, I just have the one. So I hope that you're going to look around and check them out. On my website, Sharon Durbin, Durbin, D-U-R-B-I-N, gravesart.com. If you go there, across the top are some tabs. One says portfolios. Click on that, and then you can scroll down to the landscape where Western Art and Midnight at Our Favorite Spot is, and or you can scroll on down to the flowers where all of these fun little paintings are. Okay. Window Dreams. Oh, I love this. Last year, my husband and I were lucky enough to be able to take a bucket list trip to the British Isles. And everywhere we traveled, they had these beautiful window boxes with flowers just falling out all over them. And I loved that look. So naturally, had to paint it. And this was, again, part of a class that I taught online on the Beginners Painting Club. So this is just, we learned so much in doing this painting, and it is one of those sweet, sweet paintings that I just absolutely love, and it would just brighten up any room that it goes in. This is 12 by 12 square. It is acrylic. It's got 3 coats of varnish, and it is $100. I'm making you a bigger hero all the time. Next, we have First Saturday in May. Now this is in a shadow box frame, so it's about 2 inches wide. This is 7.5 inches square, and the painting itself is 6 inches. It's acrylic on a canvas panel, and this is one of my show specials. Not only does it come with free shipping, but it is also half price, so it is only $50. And First Saturday in May, what is that? Well, if you live in Kentucky, as I do, you'll know that the first Saturday in May is Kentucky Derby Week. And so this is the Kentucky Derby Museum. So it's right there at Churchill Downs. I've been there several times. I've never been to Derby because it's kind of crazy and I'm not really good in all those crowds, but I really want to go. It's on my bucket list. I don't know if I'm going to get there or not, but the first Saturday in May is one of those paintings that you're just going to love every time you look at it. And it can hang. It has a hanger. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. And it can also sit flat on a shelf. Be perfect addition to your bookshelf, your entryway, anything like that. Next is Crashing at the Beach. Nobody loves the beach more than me, and I live in a landlocked state. But I love to go, and I love to take photographs, and that's where this came from. Again, it's in another of the shadow box frames, 7.5 inches. The painting itself is 6 inches square, and you can see the shorebirds up there. So if you're a beach lover like me, and you can't go to the beach all the time, I had my little beach fix this morning. Hope you enjoyed this. This again is a show special. And so not only is the shipping free, but it is half price at $50. Of the Purple is another fun painting. And it's on something I don't normally paint on. This is called a cradled board. And it is a masonite board that is attached to this square. And this square is really put together well. This is very thick, very solid. It's not going to warp, and I really love this kind of painting. You can hang this, or it again can sit on a shelf. So that's pretty cool. This has the iris in it, and also some dewdrops. And I just think that's I love the variations in the purples, the light and the dark. That's what makes it sing. Spring Pickings is 10 inches by 8 inches. And this is one of my favorite subjects to paint. Can you tell? I love painting hydrangeas and I love painting daisies. I'm a certified florist, and it took the first 7 years or so of my painting career, beginning 22 years ago. I only painted landscapes because flowers were so hard and I couldn't figure them out. I couldn't believe that I just couldn't sit down and just paint flowers. Guess what? They take practice. It all takes practice. But once I got them, boy, I just couldn't quit painting. And this is just one of my favorite subjects, is the hydrangeas and the daisies. Again, it's 10 inches high, 8 inches across. It's painted all the way around, and there would be no need to frame it. And this painting here, Spring Pickings, is $75 with free shipping. I'm glad you stuck around to the end, because we got some really good deals coming right here. This is an oval, as you can plainly see, stretched canvas. It's painted all the way around. It has the brown paper backing. It will have the, it'll be wired to hang. It is called Flower Friends. And these are my flower friends. And I think, I could be wrong, but I think your mama and your sister and your wife would love this, would absolutely love to have this hanging anywhere in their home. And Flower Friends is 9 inches tall. It's 12 inches across, and with free shipping, it's only $45. You really can't get original art, and this is original. This is not a Acrylic or a print or anything. This is an original artwork. You can't hardly get an original for $45. So stick around. I got one more. And here's my final sweet little piece. This little half circle. I just think these were so cute. I couldn't resist. And so the greenish background, very light, and then the white daisies with various shades of the leaves in there. This is going to look good just about anywhere. It would be especially sweet, you know, in a bedroom, a bathroom, a hallway, over a door. These are just really, really nice little paintings. And it is 6 inches tall. It is 12 inches across. It is an original work. It is free shipping, and it is $35. So this is just about the best bargain you're ever going to get. And I'm trying to make you a hero this Mother's Day. So hop on my website, SharonDurbinGravesArt.com, and go across the top to portfolios, then scroll down and see the different portfolios that are there. There's tons more art than this, but these are all marked with free shipping for this particular show. It is good and through April 24th, and I hope you're going to join me there.